Hi, Marine Ecology. This is Mrs. Brislin. How you guys doing? Just want to touch base with you and let you know what the plan is for our distance learning. We're going to first start off. I would like all of you to first go into your school loop calendar. And that is where I plan to put all of the due dates, assignments. We'll be working simultaneously with Google Classroom. So here you have a couple assignments already. First one I'd like you to do is a survey, and the survey link is there. So please do that as soon as possible. I'd like to have it in by Wednesday at noon. Just some various questions, but it's also going to be used as a head count to make sure that everybody's checking in and we're all on board. Okay, so check that out. Take care of that right away. And then your next assignment that you have is to go into Google Classroom. So I have on the 25th on Wednesday. I'm going to try to, until we get a little routine here, I'm going to try to put as much detail in the Google or School Loop calendar into these assignments so you know where to go. So this one says go to Google Classroom and answer the welcome back question by Wednesday at noon. So you have 2 assignments due at Wednesday, and just write 1 paragraph. Okay. So that is coming up Wednesday. And you also have some vocabulary, which you've already started on, but you can find that. That'll be due Friday. And that is sitting right over here. And it also tells you to go into Google Classroom and find your words are there. And also that's where you'll be submitting. Okay. So let's go over to Google Classroom. Mine's already up in a tab, but remember you can go into Google and you'll see a little waffle and you'll find Google Classroom there. Okay. Probably a good idea to put it up on your bookmarking or your toolbar there. All right, so if you go into, I'll just go into first period. And first period, your code, just in case you don't have it, we do have some new students or students have switched periods. So this is how you access Google Classroom. So first period, if you haven't signed up, you are P2JXSDI. So make sure you access and join that classroom, please. I'll get to fifth period's code in just a second. I wanted to point out a couple things. When you first come into your classroom, you'll have a stream, and this is where we can do some quick communication. We may be using this if the school chooses to go to a schedule. So there's some talk about having you guys check in or keeping you on a bit of a schedule, so that way this helps to keep you organized. And we'll have some office hours, so that's still up in the air a little bit. But this is a nice place that we can have a little discussion. So stay tuned on that one. But you can go into your classwork here. And in your classwork, here's that welcome back question. I'm organized the class by topics here. So that's what these are, little banners. The due date is the 25th. So answer that question. And it looks like someone's already turned one in. Awesome. And we have chapter 8, marine fishes. That's what we're working on next. We just finished invertebrates. So here is your vocab. And you'll submit there. I just added your lecture. So I haven't put that on School Loop yet, but that's where I'll put it in School Loop to make sure that you're checking in there and it all lines up. And then here's all our fall projects. I put everything in there to keep it all organized. Okay. All right. So that's the plan. And let me take you over to fifth period. So you know your code. Fifth period, your code is P2 lowercase l 6 ISA. All right. So load up in there. And again, check the streaming, and I'll let you know if that schedule starts to work out and how we want to do our communication. I'd really like to try to touch base with you guys every day. So besides using School Loop and Google Classroom. So one of the things I have been using lately is Google Meet. I've done a little bit of Google Hangouts. So that might be a place that we can communicate a little more live. I'm thinking this would be office hours, which right now the plan is sometime after 12 o'clock. So stay tuned though. I'll keep you updated. Lots of changes going on. But for now, please look in School Loop, and then it'll tell you whether to go into Google Classroom or not. But please, if you're not in a Google Classroom yet, you want to load yourself up. Okay. And I look forward to this new adventure. I'm really excited about it, and hope you guys are all doing really, really well. Okay, talk to you soon.